So today I want to show you this amazing light. We call it the one light. Yeah? It looks like a one. Now this particular light comes with 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Now lighting I can change all the way to 2500 kelvins, so nice warm light, to go all the way to 9600, so we go beyond overcast, 9600 kelvins, and we can change to all the kind of colors. So it's in RGB, so we go from 0 all the way to 360, and 21 different type effects, where it becomes a perfect light, right, for the video effect, photograph effect, and much more. Tripod, show you this right now. How are you doing, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT. Alright, so today I'm going to show you this amazing light. One of the things is runs on battery. We're looking at 5,000 milliamp hour. Let me get all the stuff out of this box, and you will see the amazing effects we can create this, especially for photographs, the video effects, because it's a super portable, and also it's like a mega flashlight as well too. So I show you this. Alright, so we just took everything out of the box. So I'll show you a few of the things we get. There's a lot of extra pieces here. So first we got the tripod, okay? So with the tripod in the extensions, where you can allow this to get like a real nice tall and tripod, almost I would say like almost 70 inches. So by adding all this thing, and this one is also adjustable. You lose that. So you got that. When you put it all together, you should be able to get about 75 inches. So you got the tripod as well too for the lighting. Now it has a different add-ons on the tripod. So in this case, what we want to do is use this one swivel, so we can put this here and we can attach this to the light, right? And when we attach this to the light, now this part here we have to end it and connect it right over here. So and what allow me to do right now is be able to move the light any way I want. If I connect this here, I can really move the light now and connect it right here. It can connect to either sides, by the way, huh? And now I can move the light this way if you have it there on the tripod. Okay, so we had that there, and also we had this one. It's like this snack jewel. That's just pretty cool. So in this case, we need to adapt this around into the tripod and allow you to move this around. So this, we put it right over here, and now you can have this type of effect as well too. All right, it has plenty USB cable. It has actually 4 USB cables. Have these nice and long USB cables and 2 short ones. To this is all the adapter for the tripod, and 2 remote controls to control the lights. Ensure a nice cool carrying bag, or you can put, when you finish, you can put the light right on those back. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to show you the lighting. Okay, so let's check now the lights. All right, let me turn off for a second. We look at details, and then I show you how the whole thing works. Okay, so we see the light right here. Okay, so we can connect the tripod from this side. We can connect the tripod from that side. All right, so we see right there USB Type C, full charging with the long cable on and off. The screen, all right, and the way to control this. So this one, we're going to regulate the effects. You press it down to activate, you press down to activate as well too. All right, so let's turn it on. All right, and let's bring the camera closer so we can really see what's going on here. Now from here we can bring this to 100%, super bright. All right, 100, and battery level is right there. Let's bring this down. Now I can just go and press this down, and I can go 25, 50, 75, 100. Let's keep at 25. If I press this down here, let's go back there. Here we can go all the way for 2500. You see that it's a yellow light all the way to almost 9000. Okay, so this one right there is daylight. This one is overcast, and we go a little bit beyond overcast. So we go 95. You are into like the blue section of the lighting. Okay, that's super cold light. So we regulate that out. All right, so that's pretty cool. The light and you see super bright, and I'm only 25%. Now let's go to now the effects. So now from here I can change the hue. So on 0 is red color, and I can go all the way. If I go here, I go 360, right? And then bring it down, we have the purple color, right? Then you get the blue ones there, and you see it right there, okay? And it keeps going. Now to show that I can change the saturation level, so I'm gonna press this one on my right side, and now I can watch the color up, the saturation level, so it can almost like a white. So depends what type of effect you're looking. So we are again on 100. So now I'm going to change effect, and let me go all the way to 0. Okay, so we have 0. So this should be in a slow cycle, right? So let's go number 2. So it's medium, faster, police car. It does look like a police car. Light, ambulance, okay, fire truck, lightning medium, and then lightning quick. All right, so camera flash, or what they call it paparazzi, candle effect, and TV screen, and a bright light. This is broken ball. Oh, damaged light bulb. This is laser light. Okay, fireworks, slow, medium fireworks, quick firework, fire slow, medium, and quick. And we go again to the same effect. Now I can see it has an amazing light. All right, so if I go to that, and let me jump to 100%, and you see this, it has, how bright is that? All right, super bright light, okay, right there. And if I want to change the color, so let's go to 100%. So I want 100% and saturate there, and I can change it maybe to, let's go to 100% into, okay, and you see you change that color there. Oh, we can just press it there and create like the cycle color. So now, and also you can control this and with RGB. This one, by the way, the C10 Pro light, they call it light stick, or the one, I call it as well too. Now if I turn this one out, it's something, right? I can go and change the different effects. I have the two. Would allow you to create different, if you want to show the product, you can go again. If you want to go to effects like a shadow, you move this around to the talent. So there's a lot of things, illuminate things around, put it there in the side to illuminate our product, get to another color. So we can create hundreds of different type of effects. Okay, so how to get this light is pretty simple. Yep, grab the link right below so you can buy these cool lights right now. I'll see you next time.